Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to check your LinkedIn profile analytics step by step. So if you want to see who is viewing your profile, how your posts are performing, and where your audience is coming from, LinkedIn is going to give you the built-in analytics to track it all. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on linkedin.com. Then you need to log in into your LinkedIn account if you haven't already. Over here, you can click on the option of your profile here on the top right hand corner. Then select the option of view profile. Now, once you are here on your profile page, you just have to scroll down a bit, and here we have the option of analytics. So click on the option of show all analytics, and it is going to show you all of the updated information about your profile. So here you are going to see a bunch of different tabs. Like we have first of all post impressions, that is going to show you how your content is performing. Then we have profile viewers, meaning that who's been viewing your profile. Afterwards, we have the search appearances, meaning that how often you appear in the LinkedIn searches. So each of these sections include the charts and the trends that update automatically. So over here in the profile viewer, what you can see is you can see the number of people who viewed your profile. As you can see, I have only one view in the past 90 days. So it may be different in your case. So if you have a premium account of LinkedIn, you can also see who exactly viewed your profile, including their job title and their companies. So this particular option is going to help you understand which industries or the role are most interested in you. So you can also go to the post impressions over here and just take a look at the impression graph, the engagement, the retention, comments and share. You can also click on any of the posts of view to check the audience demographics such as the job titles, locations and companies. So this option is also great for improving your content strategy and knowing what resonates best. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.